Good morning, students. Students, as you know, we are doing pictorial representations of data, and in this unit we have already completed exercise 69, which was related with pictographs. In this exercise, we studied how we can prepare a pictograph. If information is given, then how we can prepare a pictograph. Now in next exercise, exercise 70. In exercise 70, we learn how we can study a pictograph. If information is already given through a pictograph, how we can collect this information from this pictograph. For this, students, we will discuss few pictographs. I'm sharing at screen question number 70. First question is, the following pictograph shows the number of bulbs sold by a shop on each of the day of a certain week. Now, this is a pictograph which shows the information given in this. Now you can see your sheet is divided into two parts. In first part, we have days. First part shows the days. Then second, it shows the number of bulbs sold in a week. Number of bulbs in a shop sold in a week. Yes, Monday, 3 pictures are there. Tuesday, 8 pictures. So this is our pictograph. Now we'll see key use to prepare this pictograph. Now yes, students, this is a key. One picture, one bulb represents 8 bulbs. Okay, students. According to the key, it means one picture of this bulb represents the 8 bulbs. For example, if you want to know how many bulbs are sold on Monday. Now you can see we have 3 pictures. 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures. So each picture represents 8 bulbs. So we will find as 8 into 3, that is 24. It means on Monday 24 bulbs were sold. Next day, Tuesday, 2, 4, 6 and 8. In this column we have 8 pictures. So each picture represents 8 bulbs. So how many bulbs were sold on Tuesday? 8 pictures are there. 8 multiplied by 8. That is 64. It means on Tuesday 64 bulbs are sold. Next is Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On Wednesday we have 10 pictures. Given 10 symbols, it means Wednesday 10 multiplied by 8 is 80. On Wednesday 80 bulbs are sold. Same Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 symbols are there, and each picture represents 8 bulbs. 8 6 are 48. It means on Thursday 48 bulbs were sold. Next on Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 symbols are there. So 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. It means on Friday 56 bulbs were sold. At last Saturday we have 5 pictures. So it means 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. On Saturday, 40 bulbs were sold. So this is our pictograph. Now it's given one picture represents 8 bulbs. From the pictograph, answer the following questions. Yes, students. By observing this pictograph, we will answer these questions. Now your first question part A. First question part A. Your question is, how many bulbs were sold Thursday? Then how many more bulbs were sold on Thursday than on Monday? How many more bulbs were sold on Thursday than on Monday? First, we will see how many bulbs were sold on Thursday. Thursday. On Thursday, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 8, 48 bulbs. On Thursday, 48 bulbs were sold. And on Monday, we have 1, 2, 3. Only 3 bulbs means 3 multiplied by 8 is 24 bulbs. Yes, friends. On Thursday, 48 bulbs were sold, and on Monday, 24 bulbs were sold. Now, according to you, how many more bulbs were sold on Thursday than on Monday? Now, subtract and find the answer. 48 minus 24 is 24. So, your answer is 24 bulbs. Clear, students? Next is part B. On which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? On which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? Now observe the pictures. Which column have the maximum symbols? I think this is on Wednesday. It means Wednesday, the maximum number of bulbs sold. Your answer is Wednesday. Dear students, next is C part. What is the difference between maximum and minimum number of bulbs sold in a day? Maximum bulbs are sold on Wednesday. Maximum on Wednesday, 10 into 8, 80 bulbs. And minimum on Monday. Minimum bulbs were sold on Monday. Only 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures, it means 24 bulbs. 3 into 8, 24 bulbs. Now find what is the difference between them. Subtract and find the answer. 6 and 7 minus 2, 5. So difference is 56 bulbs. Clear, students? Next is part D. Part D is how many bulbs in all were sold by the shop in 6 days? Yes, friends, to find this, we will count all these symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21. Students, count all. There are 39 symbols. Are there? 39. So each picture represents 8 bulbs. Now 39 multiplied by 8. Now multiply and find the answer. 39 into 8. 312. So total bulbs sold in 6 days are 312 bulbs. Can also find this another method to find the total sale of 6 days. 24 plus 64 plus 80 plus 48, 56 and 40. Add all these, then find the total sale of bulbs in 6 days. Clear, students? So this is the first question, part A, B, C and D. To find the answer of this question, first we will study carefully this pictograph. What information is given in this pictograph? And what is the symbol used to represent the information? So students, study this pictograph carefully, then answer these questions. Part A, B, C and D. Clear, students? Next is second question. Now in second question, the following pictograph shows the number of staff members using different brand of cars to travel in office. Now we'll consider a pictograph, that is the following pictograph shows the number of staff members using different brand of cars to travel office. So student, this is a pictograph. Now students, observe this pictograph carefully and answer the questions given below. Here students, you can see this pictograph is divided into two parts. First part shows the brand of cars: Maruti, Hyundai, Toyota, Ford and Honda. And second part shows the number of staff members who use these brands. First part shows brand of cars, and second part shows number of staff members who use these brands to travel in office. So now see what is symbol used to represent this information. Yes. One picture represents 4 staff members. One picture shows 4 staff members. For example, for your first brand is Maruti. Then in this column we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pictures. So each picture represents 4 staff members. And in this column we have 6 pictures. Now 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. It means 24 staff members use Maruti car. Yes, students. Now next Hyundai. In this column we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pictures. Each picture represents 4 staff members. So 5 multiplied by 4. 5 into 4 is 20. It means 20 staff members use Hyundai car. Next brand is Toyota. In this picture we have only 2 pictures. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. It means 8 staff members use this brand. Next is Ford. In this column we have 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. It means 12 staff members use Ford car to travel to office. And last is Hyundai. In this picture we have 7 pictures. So 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. So it means 28 staff members use Honda car to travel. Clear, students? Now students, observe this pictograph carefully and answer these questions. Your first question is, second question, part A. Second question, part A. How many staff members are owner of Honda brand of cars? Honda brand of cars. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we have 7 pictures. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 staff members use this brand. So answer is 28 staff members. Clear, students? Next is part B. Part B is, which is the least popular brand of cars among these staff members? Least popular. Now students, see in which column we have minimum pictures. Now we have in Toyota. So this is the least brand which is used by staff members. So your answer is next C. What is the difference between the number of staff members who owned Hyundai brand of cars and those who own Ford brand of cars. First, we'll see how many staff members use Hyundai brand. Hyundai. In this column, we have 5 pictures. 5 into 4. 20 staff members. And Ford, in this column we have only 3 pictures. So 3 multiplied by 4, 12. Now find the difference. 20 minus 12, 8. So the answer is 8 staff members. Dear students, now last part. Arrange the given brand of cars in increasing order of their popularity among the staff members. So we'll observe this pictograph and arrange these brands in in increasing order. First, we'll write the least brand. First, we'll write the brand which is least popular among these staff members. First is Toyota. Then next is Ford. Next, Hyundai. Next is Maruti. And most popular brand is Honda. Clear, students? The second question. Of exercise 70. Clear, students? Now, last question of this exercise. Your third question is, the following pictograph shows the number of different fruit trees in a fruit orchard. So, number of different fruit trees are given in this orchard. Now, once again, this pictograph is divided into 2 parts. First part shows the fruits. Then second, number of trees. For example, apple. In apples, we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 symbols are used to represent this information. Then guava, mango, orange, and pear. So observe this pictograph carefully and answer the questions given below. Now, symbol is used. One tree represents 150 trees. One tree means one symbol means 150 trees. For example, we want to know how many apple trees are there in this garden. So count the pictures: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each picture represents 150 trees. So we'll multiply 150 by 6 is equal to 900. It means there are 900 apple trees in this garden. Clear, students? Next is guava. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pictures. So 150 multiplied by 10, This is 1500. It means in this garden 1500 trees are guava tree. Next is mango. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pictures. Each picture represents 150 trees. So it means 150 multiplied by 4. In this garden, we have 600 mango trees. Same orange tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 150 multiplied by 8 is 1200. It means in this garden we have 1200 orange tree. Next is pear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 150 multiplied by 5, it means 750 trees are pear trees. Clear, students? Now observe this pictograph carefully and answer the questions given below. First question, part A. Your first question is, what is the total number of fruit trees in this garden? Now first we'll count the total pictures. 1, 2. Count the total pictures, then multiply by it on 150. There are total 33 trees. 33 multiply by 150. Now multiply and find the answer. So total trees are 4,950. So in this garden we have 4,950 fruit trees. 4,950 trees. Next is part B. Part B is, how many orange trees are there in this garden? Orange tree. First we'll count the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pictures in this column. So find the number of orange trees. Number of orange tree. One 150 multiplied by 8. 0, 8, 5 or 44. 1200 trees. So there are 1200 orange trees in this garden. Clear, students? Next is C. How many more apple trees there than mango trees? First we'll read how many apple trees are there. Apple trees. 150 multiplied by 6. We have 900. And mango tree. Mango tree. 150 multiplied by 4 is 600. Now find how many more apple trees are there than mango trees. Now subtract and find the answer. 0, 0, 3. So our answer is 300 trees. Yes, friends. Now last part, D. The number of which of the two type of trees together is equal to the number of guava trees in this garden. First we will see how many guava trees are there. In this column we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pictures. So 150 multiplied by 10. So there are 1500 guava trees. Now the number of which of the two types tree together is equal than guava tree. So now see apple. We have 900 trees, and mango. We have 600. Now add 1500. So our answer is apple and mango. Apple tree and mango trees. Dear students, so this is third question of exercise 70. So students, today your homework is complete exercise 70 on your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.